Hello, it's Sheila. Hello, I'm Sheila from Thompson Leisure. Hello, Sheila again. Hello, it's Sheila. Back again, and today I'm going to show you our 2019 Autotrail Frontier Dakota. It's a wee bit windy today, but come on, let's take a look. So as I mentioned, this is a 2019. It actually has a high island bed, which is a bit different. It's the only one we have in here like that. So come on. First of all, you have your 16-inch factory fitted alloy wheels. You of course have your gas locker in there. This comes with an electric welcome step. And down the back you have your garage. When I open this up, you can have a look at the full length awning and awning light. And there's your huge garage. Now you'll see there's little storage pockets in there as well, little doors, little shelves and stuff, and a little light that strips across the top as well there. In here you'll also see your removable carpets as well. And round the back you have your reverse camera and your spare wheel locker as well. Let's take a look inside. Firstly, I'll show you where I always start, up on the dash. This is a manual motorhome. Of course you have your multimedia system in the front with your DAB radio, your reverse camera. You also have your cab aircon up there, along with USB ports. Across on the steering wheel there, it is a multi-functioning steering wheel. You have Bluetooth connectivity, your cruise control and your speed limiter as well. Now this dash also comes with additional USB ports just down below here. But what I'm going to show you is your TV, which is just located here, and it just drops down on that TV bracket. Straight above me, bringing in tons of light, is that full length skylight up there. Isn't that huge? So here is your first and second berth. If you'd like to see how that works, please let me know and I can arrange it and send you over the video. You do have this little siding table, of course, as well as your third and fourth belts just located in there as well. Lovely upholstery in here. Now this comes with Elldis heating, you'll just see it up there, along with a very fancy touch screen there as well for your control panel. Into the kitchen here you have your 3 gas hob and your electric hot plate, along with your separate oven and grill as well. Of course you have a pretty large sink here and drying rack, and your microwave, Russell Hobb microwave there as well. Oh, nice finish on that. Over here you have your separate fridge freezer, big fridge there as well, and in here is your table for your dining area. Down the back you have your master suite, and this is the high island bed I was talking about here. Huge, lovely. Of course you have additional storage under the bed, as well as your pull-out step to climb up as well. Of course you have your separate shower and a nice spacious toilet as well. As you can see, you have tons of storage all around here. You have your hanging areas for your clothes, your storage above. Lovely. So that's really it then for this motorhome. That was our 2019 Autotrail Frontier Delaware. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this vehicle, please let me know. If you want to see how the front bedding area is made up, drop me a message. You can drop a message in the comments. You can message me directly on Facebook. Alternatively, you can send me an email at marketing@thompsonleisure.com, or you can give us a call on 028 92 693 999. And I'll see you in the next video.